Hi! Welcome to Ask Barbie, where you ask and I answer. I'm getting some fresh air today. Seeing all this green makes me think about slime, which is today's theme. Montana Silverwhip says, "How does Chelsea make slime?" Funny, she was just telling me she has a secret trick she wants to show me. Ready to get your hands in there, Chelsea?
Let's do it! Looks pretty good.
And it sounds great. I love that squish.
I can make it look and sound even better. I have a secret special ingredient.
Nice, Chelsea. I think glitter is a great secret ingredient.
That's not ordinary glitter.
That's right. It's very special. Chels, what was in that glitter?
I told you it was special.
Oh, well, more slime is good slime.
Yay!
Maybe that's enough slime. Oh, Chelsea, that cleanup was no joke. But we now have so much slime to play with, we'll be good for quite a while. DJ Wildcat asks, how do you make slime? Easy. Welcome to Science Club. Today, we are learning about chemistry.
Chemistry? I thought we were learning about something fun.
Oh, but it is fun, because we're using chemistry to make slime. Woohoo! I love slime.
I'm so excited right now.
We'll see about that.
Now pay close attention, because chemistry is very precise. First, you mix your glue and baking soda together. Then, add your choice of food coloring to make it whatever color you like.
Any color I like? Cool! I mean, it's all right, I suppose. It's fine.
Then, add contact solution into your glue mixture and stir slowly.
I have contact solution in my house. This is so convenient. Well, for anyone that wants to make more slime at home, of course.
After it bonds, you can mix it with your hands.
This is great! I thought you said this was chemistry.
It is. The glue and contact solution combine to make one big polymer, or binding agent. That's why it's sticky but flexible and not messy.
This is even better than magic. Go poof!
Wow, that's something I can do anytime with stuff from home. Speaking of, Dash the Great says, make slime to sell for charity. That reminds me of a time I made too much slime. Well, I took everyone's advice and I made all this slime. And now I have nowhere to put it. I really need to get rid of this somehow. Oh, Cool Anime says, I have slime in my bag. What? I sell my slime. That's a great idea. I could sell all of this slime and raise money for our local pet shelter. Get your slime! Get your fresh slime here! Step on up, step on up! Wow, maybe I didn't make enough after all. We raised so much money for our local pet shelter. Cooking passes the time. B. Gore Fancy M asks, have you tried any new recipes? I love to bake for my friends. In fact, one time I baked a pie for my friend Jeffrey. It was not what he was expecting. Everyone loves to cook, be it on land or by sea. But most importantly, everyone loves pie. Hello, and welcome to the Bearfin Barbie. Today, we are making a special request for sea pie. I've never made a sea pie, but it'll be fun to try. The ingredients are interesting. But this is what he wanted, so let's do this. Let's start by adding the ground seaweed to the bowl. Then we add the krill, the fish eggs, and more seaweed. What an interesting smell. Now I'll just add some mermaid slime, and we'll mix it up and shape it into a pie. Jeffrey has some interesting tastes, that's for sure. And ta-da! All done. Hey, Jeffrey, here's your sea pie that you wanted.
Oh, wow! It's so gooey.
Yep, seaweed is kind of hard to bind together.
Oh, you made an actual sea pie. I meant that I wanted a sea-decorated pie.
Oh, well, that's a relief. I wasn't sure that this would taste very good. Well, once I'm back on land, I'll make you a sea-themed pie. I think we found some fans. Oh, Jeffrey, classic mix-up. Thanks for watching Ask Barbie. I'm about to go and play some board games with my sisters. Quality time with the girls. Doesn't that sound like fun? See you next week. Bye-bye.